Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video like this. So to get that cabin filter, you have to take the whole glove box completely out, and yeah, this is what you gotta do. Gotta take those out. This one here, this one here, and then there's the filter. I'm gonna vacuum this out a little bit. Let's see if we can get some light in here. Look how filtered this is. So I'm gonna vacuum this and pull the second one out too. Pull the second one out and vacuum. And then get this new guy. Put this one in. Put the new filters in. Let's see. Man. Yep. So this will be the new ones. Alright, one more time before I put this thing back in. This is the new one. Fits right in perfectly. And this is the old and dirty one. Let's see if I can. This is the old one. I think every little step, every little detail helps. Alright, so once I'm done putting the filter, there's a little groove on top here. I put it on top, and I'm gonna hear that snap. It snaps in place. Okay, now that I put this clip, this little plastic clip with those two screws, and the side here, I already screwed the side, but I think I could have done it afterwards. But so I just did this one here on the right. I'm gonna try to do this one on camera, but it's a little tricky. You just gotta remember how you did it. Basically, what I'm doing is putting it inside first and then clip it. I'm gonna put it inside. I'm gonna put it. Nope. Okay, now it's all the way in. Let me see if I can record this. Light. Alright, it's all the way in. And then I'm gonna press and hear that clip. Did I get it? Yep. So now it's just sitting. It's just sitting. They're both sitting now. So I'm done. Let's see. Alright. And that's it. So as you can see, this one here and this one here, and then you had to screw and unscrew this one, obviously, and I did already. So that's it. And then the one that I did first. Alright, so that was it. Cabin filter, Acura CL.